Hello everyone, this is Clovis from the Fritz and Lab blog and one more video for you. Today we're going to talk about printed circuit boards. What's my process or what's the process of making a printed circuit board from scratch? So to begin with, we have to have a software called the EDA, Electronic Design System, EDA. I use KiCad 8.0.6, which is a free to use open source EDA. As you can see on the screen, I have already a project loaded in here, which is a keychain thermometer. If you want to create a new project, you just go to File, New Project. If you want to open a project, it's File, Open Project. Like if I click Open Project, you navigate to your project, and then there's this KiCad _Pro, which is the project you are interested in, okay? And then you just click Open. Mine is already open. Important files in here are KiCad _PCB, which is the printed circuit board, or the drawing of the circuit board, and KiCad schematics, SCH, which is the schematics or the wiring diagram of the circuit. So this is the wiring diagram of the circuit. In here you can see there's a battery, a coin cell battery, CR2032, a push button, so it only allows energy to flow through when I push the button. There's a 80x85 programmed with the Arduino IDE, one NTC thermistor, 10K NTC thermistor, and a 1K resistor to do the resistor divider in here. So I'm reading a temperature on the PCB. This is a SMD NTC thermistor. And then I'm showing the temperature in binary in 6 LEDs that are Charlie plexed. So these 6 LEDs take up only 3 pins of the 80x85, as you can see in here. They are Charlie plexed. Let me show you the actual PCB, the drawing itself. So this is the drawing, the final drawing. I've already done it, I've already polished it. Here you can see the coin cell battery, it's in the back side, right? The coin cell battery is in the back side. This is the 80x85, which is a 8-pin SOIC 8 encapsulation. This is the NTC thermistor in here. See this? Yeah. It's a 0805 NTC thermistor. You can see 6 LEDs, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 in here. So the temperature is going to be shown in degrees Celsius in binary. So 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. And this connector 1, the J1, is for programming, right? So when you are finished doing your design, you want to have fabrication files. So you go to File, Fabrication Outputs, Gerber.gbr. You don't change anything, basically. If you don't know what you're doing, if you're just doing a normal, common PCB, just don't change anything. Just click Plot, okay, Plot, and then Generate Drill Files. Click Generate Drill Files. Don't change anything in here as well. Generate Drill File on the bottom of the screen, Generate Drill File, then close. Then you can save this one. Then you are going to have lots of different files like this. fpaste, fmask, fcu, edge cuts, bsilkscreen, bpaste. So lots of different files that compose the Gerber file. I put all these files in a zip file, keychain thermometer gerber.zip. Then with the zip, you can come to jlcpcb.com, which is my partner, jlcpcb.com. You just scroll down, add Gerber file. Then you select your file, keychain thermometer. Let me just remove the camera from here for a while. Open. Yeah, just click open. Then it's gonna detect automatically the size of the PCB and number of layers for you. Just, yeah. See, it detected 23.5 millimeters by 27.4 millimeters, 2 layers, which is the board. In here, the silk screen is green. You can see a very good representation of how the board is going to be, how the board is going to come to me. Different designs. I have one different design, single PCB. I don't want to penalize it, just single PCB. PCB thickness, I'm just going to leave 1.6 millimeters. PCB color, I want to change to white, so I change it to white. You can see in here, up here, it's showing white already. Silk screen is automatically put to black. Surface finish AJSL with LED. Copper weight 1 or 2 ounces. I'm gonna leave 1 ounce. The other things you don't change. You don't do anything. PCB assembly, if you want them to assemble your PCB for you. Stencil, if you want to have a stencil made for you, you just click in here. Then you can see that this PCB with the white silk screen, 1 ounce, copper weight, 1.6 millimeter PCB thickness, it's going to cost me only $2 for 5 copies. If I put 10 copies in here, 10 copies is going to cost me $5. Plus for $6.96 shipping for Brazil, so it's $11.96 for 10 PCBs for Brazil. So it's like $1.2 each board for me, right? What else? So yeah, KiCad is a free option. You have Altium as well, which is a paid and very well paid option. You can, but I mean, you can do most of your things in KiCad, actually all of your things, even like multi-layer, like for 6, 12 layers you can do in KiCad, doesn't matter, right? Again, JLC PCB is my partner in this, so please go to jlcpcb.com for your PCB needs. More information you're going to find in fritzenlab.net, again fritzenlab.net. And I see you guys next time.